first really started to understand what I call the spirit of music. Because something moves you. When we play a groove, your favorite song comes on, you can't sit still, right? Most of us can't see it. We don't even, in many cases, know what we're listening to. We don't know the theory behind it, the chords, the key, right? You're not saying, oh, that's G. I gotta dance to this, right? But something moves us. You don't have to know what it is. Just welcome it and let it move you. Thank you for listening to me tonight. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Thank you very much. My name is Victor Wooten. I love you all. Thanks for listening.